In this video, we'll do geometrical explanation and derivation of a square minus b square. Have you ever visualized a square minus b square to have this answer, which is a plus b multiplied by a minus b? Or have you find this answer an easy way? Let's do it now. Let's say you have a square with the length a or with the side a, and also here it will be, and here this is a square. So this length here is a, and this length here is a. Here a. So the area here, area equal a square, because a multiplied by a equal a square. So the area of this square is a square. Let's assume that b a square inside this square. So let's say we have a square with the side b. Let's say we have it here. So let's say here we have here this here b, and the same thing here we have it here b. So if we extend this one to there, because I want a square minus b square, so I want to subtract the whole area of this one, which is a square, minus the area of this square, which is b square. So let's extend this here, and let's extend this one there. So the area of this square, which is b square, because b multiplied by b equal b square, which I want to take it out because I'm interested to this area. So I'm interested to this area. So I'm interested of this area. And we know here b, this, the length here is b. So here it's parallel to this one, which is here b. And of course, here, this length here, which is a, the whole thing here, the length of this thing, minus this one. It will give me the area from here to here, which is here a minus b. And the same thing here, it will be a minus b, a minus b. And of course here, which is parallel to this one, which is b. But I'm not interested on this. I'm interested for the area of this one, which give me a square minus b square. So I want this area. Now let's copy this shape here to illustrate it, to compare this with this, and also to make it clear for you. So let's copy it. So I copy it here, and I want to put it here. I'm interested with this area. So area equal. So the area of this one, of course, it will be a square, the whole thing a square. Let's change the color. So a square, which is the area of the whole thing. Here, the area of the whole thing, which is a square, minus b square. Now I'm interested to have this answer. So I'm interested to have this answer. How I get it? First, let's take out this one. So I want to cut this one because I want to delete it. Now I'm interested of the area of this one. Here, of course, what is the length of this side? Of course, here a minus b, because a, the whole thing here, a minus this length. So here, the length of from here to there is a minus b. So here, a minus b. Now, I'm interested to make this irregular shape to be a rectangle. So how can I do it? So I will change the color. I want to transform this. I want to transform this rectangle. Just rotate it to make it here. So I will illustrate this one just in a moment. So here, this side, I make it just rotate it. So here it will be a minus b, and here this side, which is b, and of course I will make the rectangle. So here is b, and here a minus b. So this rectangle here, which I just rotated to here, I want now to make this rectangle here. I want to put this rectangle here. It's like you have a farm and you want to take out this area. So it will be like this. And this, for example, this is a farm. I want to put this area to be here, just like this. So I want to put this area here, which I rotated this area, I rotate to be like this. Now I want to put this one here. Okay, so I want to delete this area. Let's delete it. Now I want to make this area here. So here I just want to put it like this. So this b, and here of course a minus b. So here this one, a minus b, and here is of course here it will be b. Now let's delete this rectangle. I make this rectangle here. So let's delete this one. Before to delete it, let's shade it. So now we have rectangle with here this length is a plus b, and here this side is a minus b. So what is the area of this rectangle? The area of this rectangle is a plus b, a plus b, and the side here is a minus b. So that's it. We found it. The area of a square minus b square is the area of this rectangle, which is a plus b. This from here to here is a plus b because here a and here b, and here this side is a minus b. Of course, this one I have to delete it. So this side is a minus b, this a minus b, and this, the length of this one is a plus b. So this multiply by this, which give me the area of this rectangle, which is a square minus b square equal a plus b multiplied by a minus b. So that's it. So I hope this is a clear explanation to this one, which is a square minus b square equal to this. Feel free to comment below if you have any question or suggestion about this video. See you in the next video.